Hey guys! I'll be working on some really cool projects today, and I will be doing it all with this Precision Craft rotary tool from HART. The pin-like design gives me the control I need to carve small details. Side note, be sure to check out the HART orbital jigsaw video to see how I cut these shapes. It has onboard storage here and here for all the little bits, so they stay organized and within reach as you work. Speaking of bits, changing them out is super easy with this keyless chuck. It also has a variable speed setting here, so you can adjust the speed based on what you're working on. And it comes with these 15 accessories. Here are my personal faves. Carve details into wood with the 1/8 inch ball-shaped burr. Etch a design onto glass with a 3/32 inch diamond-tipped burr. Make your metal jewelry shine with the felt polishing wheels. Easily remove rust on small metal objects with the carbon steel wire wheel. And for flipping old furniture, sand detailed areas with the sanding bands. And guess what? This rotary tool is part of the HART 20V cordless system. The possibilities are seriously endless. Get yours and additional rotary bits at Walmart. Happy making!